Mr. Allen here for our Golden Ticket Assembly. It's Friday the 29th of January and we're here for years 3, 4, 5 and 6. All those children in Key Stage 2 have been working so hard this week to earn themselves a golden ticket. And you'll see in a minute how impressive they are and how impressed the teachers are as well with what they have been doing. So we're going to kick off with year 3 this morning. And Mr. Ackerman says this child has a fantastic week of home schooling. They've really engaged with their learning over the last few weeks and I'm always delighted to see the work that this child sends in to use every day. Look, this child works hard, never gives anything but their best and loves learning. Amazing. They never complain and whatever they come up against, they tackle with a smile. Makes me smile as well. This week's golden ticket winner is Thea. There she is. Look at that big smile on her face. Continue to smile on your face because you deserve this. Really well done. Look out for it in the post, Thea. You absolute superstar. Keep it going. Keep working as hard as you possibly can. Keep positive and keep smiling. Congratulations. Well done. Moving on. Miss White says, this person has been working so hard at home. This is the case. Thank you. They have been completing all the work we set as well as extra practice at some of the things they find tricky, which is exactly what we want to hear. Their happy, smiley photos of them enjoying their work and daily exercise really make us smile, and they really do, so thank you. Golden ticket goes to Christopher. There he is, look, thank you buddy, look, loving the exercise, doing your chin-ups there, but all that work that you are doing, keeping up the reading as well, well done Christopher, really well deserved. This is coming in the post, so look out for it. Thank you, and keep Mr. Allen smiling as well, okay? Superstar, thank you. Moving on to year 4, we've got Mr. Pinner, a fantastic member of our class. We're really pleased to see that she is still working hard at home. We certainly are. All of her work is well presented and she's just written a superb story in English. We're definitely missing her superb organisational skills in the classroom. I'm sure Mr. Pinner is. If a job needs doing well, our golden ticket winner is always the person we can call upon. We all think she's thoroughly deserves this award. We certainly do. Congratulations, Amelia! There she is. Look, really well deserved, Amelia. You absolute superstar. It's coming in the post. Keep it up, please, at home. Keep helping out. Keep really positive as well. I know you're helping out at home as well, so look out for this. It's coming in the post, you superstar. Moving on. Miss Barrett says, this child always impressed me with their work at school, and their home learning is no different. They are logging into Times Table Rockstar, Spelling Shed, reading every day, and completing lessons on Shobi. Superb. Their desire to learn is incredible, and I know their behaviour at home is just as excellent as it is at school. A well-deserved golden ticket goes to Jessica! Jessica, you absolute superstar, really well deserved. Thank you so much. Keep up all that hard work at home. Keep helping out as well. Big smiley faces as well, so thank you. I know lots of work that you are doing, so posting as well. So well done. Keep it up. Look out for this in the post. Moving on to year 5, look out, here we go. Look at Miss Musselwhite. This week our golden ticket goes to someone who's an absolute delight to teach and to have around. They do well in school and at home at the moment because they do everything they can to succeed. They may not always get things correct the first time, but that's all right, we know that. But they will go over it and work it out until they understand. They have not just impressed me since September, but their home learning has been exemplary, especially their story writing over the last couple of weeks. I look forward to seeing them back when it's safe to do so, as we all do. The golden ticket this week goes to Joshua! Look at this, Joshua, amazing buddy. Amazing work going on all the way through, whether that's your maths or your English. Keep it up, buddy. Keep positive, keep smiling, okay? Because it's lovely to see. Well deserved. This is coming in the post, so look out for it, buddy, and enjoy. Well done. Moving on, Miss Arthurton says this week our golden ticket goes to a young lady who works extremely hard in the classroom and at home. The work she has been producing at home is amazing. She listens to what she needs to do carefully and always achieves the learning outcomes. Often she exceeds the focus and achieves A+. Hey, ask for no more. She takes great pride in her work and will do whatever it takes to acquire more knowledge. She's a little superstar. I agree, and I know she'll get lots more golden tickets. She really will, and this is one to add to her pile. Golden ticket goes to Freya. There she is, big smile on her face. Look at that, obviously just making me smile. Thank you, Freya. Really well done, hon. Look out for this in the post. Congratulations. Add it to your pile of golden tickets because I know you have many, but keep up the amazing work at home and keep helping out. Congratulations, well done. Moving on. Year 6, here we go. Look, Mr. Davison says this child's dedication has been exemplary this term. They've produced some beautiful writing in English, as well as continue to make progress in maths. This has been shown in their arithmetic scores on Friday. Most impressively, they've gone the extra mile to ensure they can achieve in every lesson. They have even called Mr. Davison to clarify what their tasks and to make, because it was a bit unsure, so it's a brilliant. That's the way, keep communicating with our teachers. This is a wonderful example for all children in Year 6. Well done to this child. They richly deserve their golden ticket. They certainly do. It's Angel! There she is. Look at that, Angel. Really well done, hun. Superb. Keep it up. Keep working hard as you can. Keep helping out at home as well. Look at this is coming in the post. Put this up, pride of place. Well done, and really well deserved, Angel. You're a superstar. Fantastic. Finally, Miss Percy. Here we go. Miss Percy says golden ticket in 6JP this week is awarded to someone who could receive this award every week. I agree. They are a thoughtful, conscientious member of the class and take great pride over their work. They are an independent learner who always asks questions to make sure they fully understand and to help them produce work of a high standard. They truly care about other members of 6JB and will go out of their way to make sure everyone is included. They should be very proud of their positive attitude to school, just as we are. They certainly are. I'm proud of them, and actually they're incredibly helpful, even to Mr. Allen. Huge well done to Miriam! Here's Miriam's work. Look at this work that's going on, Miriam. Absolutely superb. Look. Everything correct here, all your English as well, your story writing is superb. Really well deserved. You're going to take this home with you on Friday. Congratulations, and please do keep up that extra work and just being there for others as well. It's fantastic. Well done. Obviously, thank you. Well done, everyone. If it wasn't you this week, keep posting. Keep working as hard as you can, because who knows, it could be you next week. So really well done, everyone out there. So brilliant. A little message from Mr. Allen. Just thank you for trying. If you're out there and you're trying, even you're just doing a little bit each day, that's all I can ask for, okay? So please help out your parents. Do a little bit each day, because we know we're in this for the long term now, so let's keep doing that. You know, I'm proud of you all. I really am. I'm so proud of everything that we are doing together to help each other to get through this. We're there for everyone. Please keep doing it. Please keep working as hard as you possibly can, all right? So thank you, guys. You make me smile there finally, and thank you for staying home, protecting Marcross, and helping to keep everyone safe. Thank you, everyone. It is working. We need to keep this up. We need to keep doing that to keep everyone safe, all right? And until we can see each other, so keep posting there, because it's making me smile. It's lovely to see you all at home working as hard as you possibly can. So please keep it up. Until next week, bye-bye, everyone.